You can't even see me breathe. 'Cause all that is needs to be on you.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Katie, aka Action Jackson, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my curly wigs to look super cute and super natural. This is a glueless kinky curly wear and go wig from Icy Hair. I will have everything linked down below. I also have a coupon code down below if you decide to try. I did get an 18-inch, but I'm going to show y'all like how I cut some layers and all of that in a couple minutes. I really love this wig. This has been like my favorite little throw on wig. Like, it's so melted, y'all. For this to be glueless, it looks so freaking good. This has been like holding me down for the past week and a half through the gym and everything. Like, I just throw it on and go. It's so convenient, so cute. Really love it down. And no, they did not pay me to say this, but yeah, I really love this wig. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I, you know, juice up the curls, get them really defined and really cute, and also how I cut some layers. So if you want to see how I did that, keep on watching, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so to start, I really do love like how cute the hair looks. Like, it is really big. It's been a couple of days since I refreshed the curls, so it looks really natural and really cute and big. However, I do wish that I cut it like slightly shorter. I don't know, maybe this is actually the perfect length. I want more layers though, like over here. I want it to be more face framing over here. So I think that I'm gonna separate out this part of my hair. I'm gonna go from the part down. Oh, child. Yeah, it's a little nappy. I'm gonna just separate that, because this is the hair that, yeah, this is what I want. I'm gonna put that away in the bag, and I'm gonna grab the same part of hair on the other side. All of the other hair I'm gonna put in the back. I'm gonna clip it up because I don't want to bother that right now. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have some water and some conditioner mixed up into here. I also don't want my hair to take super long to dry, even though I am about to diffuse it. So that's why I don't want to wet down my whole entire head. But you have to wet the part that you're going to cut, because you don't want to dry cut. That makes it like uneven, because you know your hair it shrinks when it's dry. So you're not cutting what you actually think you're cutting. So I'm going to just spray through here. Detangle it. And I did initially cut this hair. This hair came, or this wig came as an 18-inch. I definitely cut some layers already in it. I just want some more. So, but so far, I've been loving this hair. Like, even with me detangling it right now, like, there's not a bunch of crazy hair coming out. It's not a bunch of shedding. Like, I feel like it's basically how curly hair should be. The amount of shedding and stuff that I get. And this is, y'all hear me just ripping through this hair. Like, I'm not even trying to be careful with it. But it's not like crazy shedding. I really like this curly wig. Like, this is like the perfect throw on glueless wig. So now that we got everything wet, I'm going to put it into a high ponytail up here. You want to make sure that they're even though, the ponytails. As y'all can see, like I said, I already had cut some layers. How it's going like in a angle cut. You're gonna do the same thing over here. So now you got two ponytails. And what you're gonna do is, so you're gonna pull it out and then pull it towards your face. So like out and then over here. And you're gonna cut at an angle. So this hair up here that's already short at the top, this is the hair that I already cut. I mean, that's from the last time I cut it. So now I'm just gonna cut a little bit more because I want those layers a little shorter. Okay. Child, I hope they even. This side is a little bit longer. Now that you got this, you're gonna re-wet your hair again. And this is the most time consuming part, really. But this is gonna have like the curls really popping. So you wanna do this. So, you wanna saturate the hair. Get some mousse. I'm using my Nairobi, super good. It's like an OG mousse. You're just gonna put it all throughout the hair. You're gonna rake the mousse through. It's okay if you have a lot of mousse, because that's what's gonna really like get them together. And you're just gonna finger coil. So I just take little sections, hopefully y'all can see, and do that. You literally just wrap it around your finger a couple times. And it's gonna give some really good like curl definition. And I don't grab all the same size pieces. Honestly, sometimes I get lazy. It's better if you do smaller pieces, because if you do bigger pieces, then you just gonna have like really big chunks of curls. But I do like different sizes. I feel like that makes it look cuter and not so uniform. So it look more natural, because you don't want it to look like a wig. And the lace is really good. The lace really gives already. So once you get the curls together, it definitely looks like your natural hair. I was just on TikTok and this girl said she thought it was my hair until I got close, like really close up on the camera. So then you'll have a bunch of cute, perfect little curls like that. The ones in the front, I really try to get perfect, because that front framing part of your face, you want those to be like popping. Alright, so I got the left side done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to my right side, and then I'll come back and we're gonna diffuse or like blow dry our hair. Actually, before I diffuse my hair, I want to show y'all what I do with the back, because like I said, I'm not about to fully wet the back of the hair, because I really like how big and like old it looks, kind of sort of. You know, like if you have curly hair, or if you like wore curly hair before, you know that like it takes like 2 or 3 days for the hair to get really big and poofy. And I like that look, so I don't want it to be too small, but I want the front to be defined, so that's why I did what I did. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of water. This is what I do pretty much every day. I just spray a small amount of water just so it don't look like dry or nothing. So I'm gonna spray that through the back. I really try to get the ends too, because as long as the ends make a cute curl, the rest kind of don't matter. So now that I sprayed that, I take a little bit of mousse and I just pick like different parts of the hair to like define. I don't do every curl. I just do a couple of them that are like at the top, or that maybe look like they just need a little bit more love. Like the parts that look really poofy, like there's no definition to them, I'll do that. My damn arms be hurting doing all of this. And I'll do the ends a little bit, like just the end part. So I'll find like right here is really poofy, and I'll just rub some mousse through the bottom and go like that. Finger coil the ends a little bit. But like if you can see the curl like looking directly at me and it's messed up, I'll try to fix it. But if it's like more so on the inside of the like curls, I don't really care. So this is what the hair is giving. Wet, super cute, but it's really flat. And it, you know, y'all know how it is. We want big, we want volume. So I'm gonna use my blow dryer with my diffuser attachment, and I'm gonna blow dry it on high heat too. I know you're really not supposed to do that with your natural hair, but this is a wig, so I don't give up. So I'm gonna use this on the highest setting, and we're gonna, yeah, it takes a little while, but we're gonna get it together. That's why I didn't do my whole head. It shouldn't take that long. So I pretty much got it blow dried to enough as I really care to do. It will air dry and get a little bit bigger, but what I do like to do is use my comb, a wide tooth comb, and just kind of go through it and make it a little bit bigger, kind of tease it a little bit. This will help to, again, give you some more volume, make it really big and fun and curly. That's what everybody like. So I really just do the roots and I go underneath some too. Don't comb it all the way out. And just a lot of hand fluffing and running your hands through your head and just shaking it out. It's so cute. There is baby hairs on this wig, but honestly you really never see them because I wear it you know, kind of covering my face anyway, so you never really see them, but there is room for them. I did make some, but really don't matter to me. And that is pretty much all I do to get my curly wigs to look natural. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you to Icy Hair for sending me this super cute kinky curly wig. I will have it linked down below. You can use my code ICBeauty for 15% off. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.